Well, I bought our last of a festival. She don't come camping with me that often, and it's howling it down. We tried to put tents up, it's just drenching, isn't it? I bought trusty old mismatch of a tent. You're not supposed to park your car by a tent, but we've just got in this field. It was absolutely siling it down with rain, so we just managed to get it up quick. All it's going to have to do, because we ain't put it up again, so we'll go and see what's happening, Dar, shall we? Well, it stopped raining. Got a bit of family turn up. Me and Kaz has had a walk around festival site. It is a small festival.
I'm going to get you rid of Bob's.
Hectic family, this. Hectic family. We're doing a bit of an unboxing as well. My lad just come back from Japan a couple of months ago. So we're going to, he's brought us a sake drinking set.
What you drink that on?
Well, so we're going to get into a bit of sake. Let's have a look at that, because that is a traditional sake drinking set, that. It's just stopped raining now. Well, I've had to buy a coat from charity shop. £4.49. It don't look too bad. It has worked pretty well actually with all this rain. It's called, what's that coat called, Al?
A blue coat.
No, it's not called a blue coat. It's called.
I don't know.
It's called a Snowdonia, and it hasn't done too bad actually for a £5. So anyway, my second daughter's just turned up. Tate came out of the British Army and decided to have a kid every 9 months since then. How many you got now, Tate? Me and the mother, we've only got like 10 fingers. But here we are. We're not supposed to be in this area really. This is a bit of a camper van area, but it was absolutely siling it down with rain. There were no marshals about, so we just got here and we're not going to move. Are you on toilet? There's people that you know here from the various camps. Young Alfie's 6. Is here with a lead scarf on. What? I don't know. I haven't a clue what all that's about. We've got Faith here. Another camper. Wesley has decided to come off his PlayStation or Xbox. What is it called that you're playing now?
PS4.
PS4. I don't know about these things. Got the dear beloved here. Look, we have had a few pints at the bar.
I've had one.
We've had 2.
I've had one and a Pimm's, and this Pimm's got
Yeah,
more fruit in it than
Pimm's.
Pimm's.
Your mum likes Pimm's.
Never tried it.
It's lovely. You'll like it. It's red melon. You get. Yeah, you'll be alright with that cake. You don't get
Families.
lime, lemon, strawberries, lettuce,
Blood.
Yeah.
Love it. Well, the trouble we having kids is that they have kids and they end up with all these. and he's as much to blame here. Anyway, this is daughter's setup. We've got some coffee on. It's still raining. This is some setup daughter's got here with husband. I mean, this is proper tent camping. The boxes in with me, and this is mine and Kaz's setup. Just a mismatch of a tent. Outside, don't even look inside. No blow-up beds. Nothing spectacular. It's Kaz's birthday today. I'm not going to say how old she is. She'll not be happy about it. But
Would you want mine and then I'll wear that?
there's a birthday girl there. Look. First time she's been camping, she says she'd never come camping with me ever again.
When's first time?
Since 9 ladies then, Kaz. Since 9 ladies.
this frog on?
Well, we stop.
Got a bit of his beer stash there. We've got young Harriet there in the blow-up chair. Here we have in. We're going to make a bit of a punch. We're going to have in here is one of Frogman's specials. grapefruit juice, grapefruit rat pack drink. Lemon rat pack drink with some Appleton Estate single blend rum, Jamaica rum. Open me that, Wesley. Pour some in, lad. Go on, you get a good help in there. A bit more, a bit more. A bit more. Right, thank you. Tesco's Jamaican rum. Now we're going to let that do. I'm going to get out a bit of a stare. Festivals that way. It's been raining ever since we've got here. We are really like, shouldn't be here at this suspect camper vans, but it were absolutely hammering down. There were nobody out here, there were no marshals, and we're refusing to move now. So,
Alfie, you've been told.
I'll leave it at that.
William, just watch them drinks down there.
When your company still watch the World Cup, look.
How was it, Cuz? How's a rat pack rum? What?
Foul. It's toilet door.
Right.
William.
Well, anyway, are we going to this festival then?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let me just get their picture.
Oh, listen to this young Jasmine there. 5,000 YouTube subscribers. Grandad, Gira, Shada. Look into the camera, Jasmine. Gira name.
And say a name.
Well, we're making his way down to the festival site now. Nice to see my daughter keeping up a bit of a family tradition. So I'm not going to do a lot of filming now. It's
He's got his bellies on.
it's a festival. There's a lot of us. We have a big family. So we'll see you later. See you later, Tate.
Bye.
Well, for birthday dinner, it's jerk chicken from the Caribbean store with a couple of dumplings and a vegetable pate, but Kaz has already had that, and cider. Beautiful. Jasmine.
Let me get up.
Babe. Babe.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Try to get up. Keep your glasses into me.
Well, it's going on, and now we're going to see Goldie looking chain.
Yeah.
Are we going to see, darling? Goldie looking chain.
type of music that's emerged from the streets of America, where people talk over the music.
They talk over the music.
Put the music on.
Yes, and it's known as rap music.
Now they come from South Wales, all the way from Newport. Our guests tonight are Eggsy and Reese from Goldie Looking Chain. And this is Goldie Looking Chain. Goldie Looking Chain. GLC. GLC. They're from Newport. You know is it?
Goldie Looking Chain. Goldie Looking Chain.
Yes.
The GLC are really impressive.
Please welcome.
Goldie Looking Chain.
Welcome, Mudfest!
Let's get ready to rumble!
Hey! Keeping up with your missus, what was I thinking? She looks like a priest, but it's a shock to see her arrested to police with one in a headlock, fighting with bouncers, no flashing her bits. After two framing some because she don't care who she is. Waking up on Sunday morning with bruises and cuts. Face it, son, your missus is nuts. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh, some just a little bit nuts, but all missuses have the potential to be nuts. Tell her, eh? What it is, if you're gonna drink, drink responsibly. If you end up having 6 cans and punching your husband in the face and all his teeth come out, it's not my issue. You better go and see someone about it. Drink responsibly, kids. Stick to Carling, it's easier. Make sure you've been wonderful. Give yourselves a big round of applause. I fucking love you all. Make some noise. I love you all. Good night.
He's gonna juggle. How do you do that for the breakfast?
I'm with birthday girl. Marcy Logan is going to here now with the daughter of the grandkids a couple of hours ago. One thing about this little festival, they're still out drinking, well some of them. I think this lad here sort of crashed out a bit. Leave the lad alone, you're a bully.
Very scary. Get a selfie with it. Get a selfie with it. Someone's got a dream.
Come on, not be greedy.
This is my message to you. I'll try to drop out 3 times. Not more.
We're not letting it.
Do you care if I don't know what to say? Will you sleep tonight? Will you think of me? Will I shake this off? Pretend it's all okay? That there's someone out there who feels just like me. There is.
Cheers.
Yes, man.
There's
some more then.
I'll give us Blink 182 me, if you can do it, man.
Well, morning.
You ought to come and got in here if you
Well, Newport's finest. Goldie looking chain.
got it.
What did you think, Tom Caroline?
Rubbish.
I don't know where all these have come from.
You won't hold it. Let go then, let go. You can't do that.
I'm going to go up and make porridge for 10. And see what today brings. Say bye.
What it's got, it says.
Say bye.
What it's got.
Well, it's porridge all round. Apart from Jasmine, who's got a bacon cob. Being a vegetarian, like.
Where's the spoon for it?
A rat pack mocha cappuccino. Are we ready for porridge then, kids?
Yeah.
Well, it's porridge all round.
Whoopin' Gangan style.
What is it?
Whoopin' Gangan style.
Porridge Gangan style.
When Gangan does something, say whoopin' Gangan style.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's rat pack number 16.
Sugar-free dental chewing gum.
We've got
I'm just gonna
apple drink, grapefruit drink.
sport me down. Can I have one of these?
Yeah, you take what you want. Smooth peanut butter, cereal bar. Oh, blackcurrant. Might try that with a bit of rum later, shall we, dear?
Sweets.
Sweets,
Chewing gum that
hot
makes your
chocolate,
teeth clean.
flavoured drink, orange.
Chewing gum that makes your teeth
I'll
clean.
put that in my handbag if there's no toilet paper later.
Peanuts, a cherry turnover. That'll be nice that way,
A
Alfie.
spoon, a sport.
Do you want the cherry turnover?
We've got a sport. Gangan, we've got a sport.
Yep.
We've got a sport.
Tuna chili pasta,
There's 2 bubble gum.
tuna Thai green curry,
Is there any more bubble gum?
vegetarian all day breakfast, chicken noodle in red curry sauce. You'll like that, Kaz.
There's mine. Are you ready to head to the
Biscuit jam sandwich and one of these. They're nice, they are.
No, it's full of high energy. It's
Jamie,
like
have you ever heard
Right,
of the
children.
hot
in your
basket
bag,
challenge?
Help
full
yourselves.
of energy and loads of sugars in them to keep the energy flowing.
Right, come on down.
Go with the ninja.
Oh, we've got another ninja. Oh, we made it look easy. Made it look easy. What's he doing? What's your name? Right, good.
Thank you. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm very, very...
With faith. Gang get good to the Who's driving?
Well, here's his unboxing from his son. Some Japanese sake, and it's traditional, or apparently traditional, drinking vessel. Yeah, dear. Give me your opinion of the sake. Just drink it, guys.
Oh, taste it.
I take it it's not very good then. Would you like one, Richard?
Oh, they smell. No, you're right. It smells like one of them bottles of wine we had in the fridge for about 4 years.
Well, as you can see, sake went down really well.
It's nice. It's nice.
It's sand.
I like that one.
Yeah, while your poor face is behind the thing.
As memory cards coming to an end, we've got loads of films at kids really. So we've only got Scouting the girls to see, but I'm going to shoot off early in the morning. So till next time, bye. I missed that. You'll have to do it again. Oh no, wait. Go on.
So I'm waiting here till I see you.